So let's get to the bottom 5, because I know this is why y'all are here. This is why y'all are here for the tea. Hi guys, it is Mad. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. And if you are new, make sure you click that subscribe button to become a part of the trendiest place on the internet. And if you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate it. My name is Mad. I'm a licensed esthetician. I go to FIT in New York City. We got a lot going on here. We do lots of lifestyle, skincare, fashion things, everything you could think of. We do it here on Mad Threads, so make sure you subscribe. So today's video is literally beyond exciting. This video is a long time coming collaboration with the queen of Lush on YouTube. If you like Lush products, if you're into Lush at all, if you've ever watched a Lush video, you've likely seen a video from the one and only Melody Collis. She is the queen of Lush, okay? Point blank period. No questions asked. No one can take her crown. So you guys definitely need to check out her video after watching this one, because today we're going to be talking about our top 5 and our bottom 5 Lush products. Now y'all know I worked at Lush. I worked at 2 different locations. I have a little bit of a perspective, the insider perspective, if you will. Melody has also worked at Lush, which is so crazy. Me and her are literally the same person. It's the docs obsession for me. It's the guitar obsession for me. It's the Lush obsession for me. So I'm going to be sharing my top 5 favorite products and my bottom 5 least favorite products. Some might be a little bit controversial. Definitely check out Melody's video after this one so you can see what products she loves and hates. Alright y'all, so let's get started. I'm going to start with the top 5 because we're keeping it on a happy note, and then we're going to go into the worst products. And there is actually a lot of products that I strongly dislike from Lush. Definitely more than 5. I probably dislike more products from Lush than I actually like. It's really just the bath bombs that keep me invested in the brand, so they really did something there. So let's start with the top. I don't have all the products here. So the first product that I love, I've been through, I'm gonna guess and say 5 or 6 bottles of this, are the Boom Toothy Tabs. Oh my goodness. The taste, impeccable. I love it. So the Boom Toothy Tabs are like tab toothpaste. They have charcoal in them, so they do help to whiten your teeth. I don't know the truth behind that. I personally haven't seen a huge difference in like the color of my teeth, but I do love the concept. I love the taste. I wish that the container wasn't plastic though, but I love the way that these feel in my mouth. They're so good. If you've been looking for a way to like try some new oral care products, you should definitely check out the Boom Toothy Tabs. Next is the Olive Branch Shower Gel, and I've also been through multiple bottles of this shower gel. I just love the fresh, like energizing aroma that it has. I'm pretty big on fragrance in products. I know a lot of people are like anti-fragrance and all of that, but I'm the complete opposite. I think that a fragrance in a product, whether it's skincare, body care, hair care, it just adds to the sensorial experience of using the product. It's about self-care. And I'm not sensitive to fragrance, so I'm okay with it. But if you are, you know, maybe it's not the best option for you. But for me personally, I love a good scent, okay? Hence why I love Glow Recipe skincare products so much. I love the experience that it brings to my routine. Olive Branch Shower Gel is just so fresh. It has a little bit of that muskiness to it at the same time, and it doesn't leave my skin feeling super stripped. The scent is fresh, it feels good on the skin, and I've just always loved it. Okay, next is the Sephora Bath Bomb. Oh my gosh. I didn't always view this bath bomb as a favorite, but when I really fell in love with it was when I last worked at Lush this past holiday season. The Sephora body spray, body mist, oh my god, I would put that on every day. I fell in love with it. It is just the most beautiful scent, and I found that it worked really well with my body chemistry. If you know me, one of my favorite fragrances of all time is Glossier You. So what I do is I take the Sephora Bath Bomb and I mix it with the Sex Bomb, and the 2 of those together literally smells like Glossier You. So that's like the big reason why I love that bath bomb, because it mixes really well with others. It's a really great base florally scent. So yes, Sephora Bath Bomb, and even the body spray is so good. If you love that fresh spring floral scent, which is kind of like my jam, with a bit of citrus. Definitely get the Sakura bath bomb, or at least go smell it. So along with that, the Rub Shower Scrub. So I love a good body exfoliator. I think it's really important to get all that dead skin off. I have very dry skin all over my body, and if I don't exfoliate, I'm literally flaking left and right, like I am right now. I also have tattoos, so when I scrub my body, it kind of like makes my tattoos a little bit more vibrant. I do kind of like ocean salt as a body scrub, but I don't like that it's marketed as a face and body scrub. It is so harsh on facial skin. What I like about the Rub is, one, it's the same scent as Sakura, so I mean, obviously, but two, it's a lot more gentle than the bigger chunks of salt in ocean salt. So I'm a really big fan of just the grain size and how soft it feels on the skin. Okay, and number 5, these are also in no particular order, they're just products I love, is the 1000 Kisses Deep Perfume. When I was living in the city and working at the Lush in Union Square, I wore this perfume all the time, so I just have such positive, great memories attached to this fragrance. So it's just like attached to so many great times in my life. I like to wear it when I just want to feel better, when I want that pick me up in my mood. And like I said, fragrance is so important to me. It plays a huge role in my life. I strongly associate things with scent, and every season I like to switch up my scent because I like to smell those when I want to go back to those memories. It's literally a way for me to like keep memories. It has like this vanilla floral kind of scent to it, and I love when a product from a brand can really connect with you like that. So let's get to the bottom 5, because I know this is why y'all are here. This is why y'all are here for the tea. Let's start with the Comforter Bubble Bar. I know this is like a cult favorite product. I think Lush has so many other better scents, and because it's a cult favorite, people always just gravitate towards it, and they have this like preconceived notion that it's gonna be great, but I'm not a fan of those like sweet candy smells. They give me an instant headache. I just don't love it. I really am just not a fan of that. It reminds me of like middle school when I used to wear like the pink sugar perfume. It's just like it's not the one, okay? Number 2 is the Beauty Sleep face mask. Ooh, girl, I need to look up the ingredients of this right now. Like I said, fragrance does not bother my skin ever, but this is an instant where fragrance, oof, she said, let's irritate Mad Thread's skin. Let's get in there. Let's cause a little breakout. Let's just mess it up. This ingredients list is crazy. It is like long. So the first ingredient is lemon, verbena, and valerian root extracted in honey. But the lemon as the first ingredient is a little odd to me. Then you have kaolin, you have the aduki beans, which are a little bit harsh on the skin. I'm not a big fan of the ground aduki beans. You have orange blossom honey water, you have coconut oil, orange flower, neroli oil, lavender oil, lemon juice, pineapple juice, orange juice, red dye, blue dye. I don't know. There's just a lot that's screaming irritation to me. When you open this product, the smell like hits you in the face. You're like, whoa, step back. I don't love that ingredients list. For that price point, I think you can find so many other skincare products that are gonna do you much better. It's not the one for me. My skin gets red and irritated. The scent will put me in a bad place. I don't like it. Next is Dark Angels. Oh my god, I literally hate this product if I'm being honest. Now, it's crazy to me that it is a bestseller. It stains, it can stain your sink, your tub, your clothes. I find that this is probably the most drying and just like disappointing ingredient list. So you have some different muds, you have avocado oil, which I would say is probably the only great ingredient. You have charcoal, you have sugar, and the sugar crystals on the top of this product, when I tell you they are big and they scratch your face. It's just all over irritating and not great and harsh on the skin. We were always told to recommend this product to people with acne, and I cannot imagine having severe acne and taking this extremely abrasive scrub and scrubbing at your acne lesions. Oh my god. You can get something way better that's gonna treat your skin in a much better way. Okay, the next product is 7 to 3. This product is just weird to me. Like, I get what they were trying to do, like the environmental aspect of it. I totally get that. They really did not do it well. I find that this leaves this weird residue film over your face, and people are really gonna be thinking that they can just use this and be on their way. And that is just not, it's just not the case. This has a slight exfoliant with ground beans, ylang ylang oil, it has fragrance. It's just not good. It leaves this weird greasy residue on the skin that you have to take off with a cleanser anyways. And some people don't take that off with the cleanser. Some people just use that product and be on their way. I don't know. There's so many other environmentally friendly ways to remove your makeup, and I don't find that that even removes it. It just like traps it in this weird oil that stays on your skin. The last product is the Eyes Right mascara. This mascara absolutely sucks. It's really bad. I really don't like it, and there's a reason why the only way it would leave our shelves at the store is if a customer stole it. No one was buying this. No one was buying this product. It does not stay on your eyelashes no matter how hard you try. It's so liquidy. Like, if I dump the tube, I'm telling you the mascara will spill out. It's really oily. I'm telling you, I've tried it with a primer. I've tried putting primer on top of it. It smears everywhere. This mascara within 10 minutes is all over your face. It really does suck. It's really bad. But I just don't think that Lush can do makeup. Like, they can't. They're just not good at it. Stick to what you know. Alright guys, so that concludes my top 5 and bottom 5 products from Lush in this current moment. They will change, I'm sure. So maybe I'll do an updated one of these in the future. If you haven't already, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and click up here wherever, I don't know where it is. Click up here to watch Melody's video. It will also be the first link in the description box, and it will also be the pinned comment. I would love for you guys to go check out her favorites and least favorites from Lush, because her list is super interesting and she is just awesome. And thank you so much, Melody, if you're watching this, for doing this collaboration. I'm so excited to watch your video, and welcome to the channel if you are coming over here from Melody's video. I hope you stay a while. I hope you subscribe. Thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. I love you so much. Bye!